2016 Spring Split is on the line.
On the hunt ultimate use, Cedrin will be preemptively flashing as the flash into the tippers as well. Cedrin is locked down. Dignitas finished out the first game in his best of 5. Beansu now coming in with the Chum the Waters. He's actually going to flash back and allow both of his allies to be hit by that ultimate from Beansu.
No, I can't. I got problem. Kom fish.
Stop it, dude.
Broken Sean.
Yes, my friend, yes.
Du døtte.
Du er litt dødt, Broken Sean.
Of course.
Du er blitt dødt.
Of course.
It's for this guy. And Team Dignitas EU take the third game against Mousesports. Wonderware is into the back line, maybe a little too early on the trigger.
Go! Marker. Wizard. BNC wizard. Can control. Nice. Marker down.
G boys.
Mouse will even up the series 2-2-2. One win separates both Mousesports and Team Dignitas EU from promotion to the LCS.
Mountain to be knocked back.
Flash, knock back into the turret and the barrel roll as well. Do a barrel roll for first blood, but they're running the wrong way. The Destiny comes up, looking to cut them off. 3-man knock-up coming in from this bend. Chained in with the body slam. Go! Team Dignitas, they like this stage and they're going to stay. This is Team Dignitas EU securing their spot in the European LCS Spring Split.